Welcome to another child-proofing safety tip from Dreambaby. Today we're going to take a look at a fantastic way to secure your cabinet doors and drawers quickly and easily. Dreambaby's spring latches are a great way to keep curious toddlers out of your cabinets and drawers without making it too difficult for adults. Let's take a look. The spring latches screw right into the cabinet or drawer. Simply push down the hook to open, and it locks automatically when you close it. The hook fits securely into the included catch to prevent curious toddlers from opening the doors or drawers. Just another way Dreambaby can help keep your children safer and your mind at ease.